Yeah, hi, Dell. This is Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay, so basically I tested it before I done anything, as I do. Um, it was totally dead, so I've taken it apart. I've given the cogs a clean for you. They were quite crapped up, so I used my little brush on them and cleaned them out for you. And I've replaced the laser. I put a brand new laser in there. Giving it a check over. It has got quite a bit of wear on the cogs. It is an old part. It's not, the cogs ain't too rattly. I've seen worse in the last few days where they're rattling around. The motors seem still nice and spinny, which is a good thing. So hopefully now you've got, many more years of life into this. So like I want to remind you, you've got your 6-month warranty on the part that I've replaced, which is a laser, and the labour to replace another laser if you need it. That's all free of charge. All we ever ask for is the postage for the for the repair. So yeah, thank you very much for your business. I do appreciate your business, and I have put in some extra work for you so you get this back before Christmas and sooner than later, because business has really picked up now for me, and it's sort of like 10 o'clock at night right now where I'm doing this just to get things out and done for people. So you have a great Christmas, and all the best to family and everything, and stay safe and look after yourself. Cheers, Del. Really appreciate it, buddy.